curve to be fitted is logistic curve. Logistic curve is of the form yt is equal to k by 1 plus e power a plus bt. This is the form of logistic curve. Here k is not a parameter, only a comma b are the parameters here. So here we are going to use another method called Eule's method, which is Eule's method for finding these two parameters. So under this method, again likewise this is 3 selected point. How we did in the 3 selected point, we are going to follow the same, like taking 3 different points t1, t2, t3, such that t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2. So t2 minus t1 is equal to, again you should write y1, y2, y3, and y2 minus y1, y3 minus y2, and we divide to eliminate the constants. We will find out a, b and k respectively. So no need to find out here a and b because those two will be eliminated. It is sufficient if you can find out k. Means here we are going to find out, even though a and b are the parameters, we are going to find out k, as these two are being automatically eliminated. So let us see while doing, you'll understand. So under 3 selected points, write down y1 first. What is y1? y1 is k by 1 plus a power a plus b t1. Okay, from this I want to write shift this to LHS, and I want to write k1 here. So this can be written as 1 plus a plus b t1. This is simplification. My aim is to find out k. For that I am going to use the Eule's method, which is similar to 3 selected points. Writing y1. After writing y1, I shifted this y1 to here and 1 plus e a power bt to the LHS. From this I want to write a plus b t1 will be k by y1 minus 1. Okay. Now again, if you take logarithms on both sides, if you take log on both sides, as you have exponential here, if you take log on both sides, log a plus so this will be a plus bt1 log e to the base e is equal to log k by y1 minus 1. This is 1 again. So you got a plus b t1 is equal to log k by y1 minus 1. Okay, log k by y1 minus 1. From this similarly I think you will get a plus b2. If you put t is equal to t2, how much you will get? A plus, and the same simplification you will get a plus b2 is equal to log k by y2 minus 1. If you put t is equal to t3, you will get a plus b t3 is equal to log k by y3 minus 1. Here also got it. Now we have obtained 3 expressions at t is equal to t1, t is equal to t2 and t is equal to t3. Now we are going to subtract. Let us take this as equation number 1. 2, 3, 4. Let us do 3 minus 2 and 4 minus 3. 3 minus 2, which is nothing but a plus bt2 minus a plus bt1 is equal to log k by y2 minus 1 minus log k by y1 minus 1. So a cancels, you will get b into t2 minus t1 is equal to log a minus log b, which can be written as log a by b, which is nothing but log k by y2 minus 1 by k by y1 minus 1. Okay. Similarly, let us do 4 minus 3. We will get that as a plus bt3 minus a plus bt2 is equal to log k by y3 minus 1 minus log k by y2 minus 1. A cancels. If you take out b common, you will get t3 minus t2 is equal to log, again log a by b, k by y3 minus 1 by k by y2 minus 1. Let us name this as equation number 5, equation number 6. So after subtracting, we need to divide. Let us do 5 by 6. You will get this by this, b t3, let us do 6 by 5, t3 minus t2 by b, t2 minus t1 is equal to log k by y3 minus 1 by b cancels. So here with k, we got as t2 minus t3 minus t2 is equal to t2 minus t1. This term also cancels. You'll get 1 is equal to log the entire term. Okay, rewrite this as it is. We are going to find out k from this. So we can write that as log k by y3 minus 1 by k by y2 minus 1 is equal to log k by y2 minus 1 by k by y1 minus 1. Log cancels. So you got k by y3 minus 1 by k by y2 minus 1 is equal to k by y2 minus 1 by k by y1 minus 1. So if you cross multiply from this, you will get k by y3 minus 1 into k by, cross multiply these two, k by y1 minus 1 is equal to k by y2 minus 1 whole square. Okay, so on multiplying this, you will get k square, k minus y3 by y3. I took LCM here. Again here LCM is y1. K minus y1 by y1 is equal to k minus again LCM by y2 whole square. Okay, so if you multiply all these terms here, k square minus k y1 minus k y3 plus y1 y3 by y1 y3, expand that, k square minus 2k y2 plus y2 square by y2 square. So again you cross multiply these two. So you will get y2 square into k square minus k y1 minus k y3 plus y1 y3 is equal to k square minus 2k y2 plus y2 square into y1 y3. So on simplification, you try to simplify this, you will get k square into y2. If you shift this to the RHS by taking k2 square common, k square common, you get y2 square minus y1 y3 is equal to k into y1 y2 square plus y2 square y3 minus 2 y1 y2 y3, and k cancels. You will get k is equal to y2 square y1 y2 square plus y2 square y3 minus 2 y1 y2 y3 by y2 square minus y1 y3. So under the, by fitting logistic curves also we have used the 3 selected points. A little bit difference is nothing but here we, as it is in the exponential form, we are taking logarithms and then writing y1 y2 y3, again y2 minus y1 y3 minus y2, y1 minus y2 and y3 minus y2 on dividing. Even though a, b, k are the parameters, finding a, b will be, again you should consider all these. First of all find out k, with that k we can fit the logistic curve, y1 y2 y3. So again y2 minus y1 y3 minus y1. There a comma b will be eliminated. You will be only with k, so you will find out k value. With that, we can fit the logistic curve for the given data. Thank you.